Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Nathan Hager, joined by Bloomberg's Dan Curtis, watching not just stocks affected by AI disruption. We've got a big earnings story to tell from Home Depot this morning, Dan. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, that's right. We're not leading with AI, so it's a nice break to look at the home improvement retailer. Home Depot, fourth quarter revenue was a slight miss, but same-store sales growth and earnings both came in above estimates. That has the stock up over 2% in the pre-market. Comparable sales for the quarter grew 0.4%. The estimate was a contraction by that much, stronger than expected. It's a sign of appetite for home projects despite inflation concerns and despite declines in home prices across the country. Home Depot maintained its full-year forecast. The CFO noted that everything was moving in the right direction, but just at a very slow rate. The stock up 2%, so not a slow rebound.
Well, we've been reporting that Paramount Skydance has sweetened its offer for Warner Brothers Discovery. Is that moving those stocks at all?
It's a tiny move in the pre-market. Warner Brothers up less than 1%. It's trading at $29.15 a share. That's just under the $30 a share that Paramount did have on the board, but sources familiar with the matter say that Paramount will improve the offer to a higher price and address concerns including greater certainty of financing. The details are not public, so we're going to wait to see if they filter through. Warner had agreed to sell its film, TV studios, and HBO to Netflix business. And HBO business to Netflix for $27.75 spin-off cable networks. So Warner Brothers right now is just trying to find out what's the best deal on the table and if Paramount can top that.
Okay, well, we continue to watch Blue Owl Capital move to the downside. It seems the pressure on private credit isn't over.
It is not. So Blue Owl shares are down 3% in the pre-market. That's after they've already fallen 30% this year so far. Blue Owl got downgraded to a hold at Deutsche Bank, which also cut the price target. Deutsche Bank's price target of $10 a share is now the street low. Blue Owl, for reference, is trading just above that $10.10. So hold and basically flat price from Deutsche Bank. The analyst sees moderately more challenging environment for retail private credit product flows, and it's been a bit of a controversial area, or maybe an area for opportunity, because B of A said that Blue Owl is a buying opportunity. They came out with that yesterday, saying a lot of misinformation around this. Markets are thinking that there's more downside ahead. Those shares down 3% in pre-market.
At least some stocks might be moving to the upside around the artificial intelligence story. One of those looks like it could be SanDisk.
That's right. So SanDisk is a memory maker. It's been a massive beneficiary of all the AI spending because NVIDIA's new AI chips require lots and lots of memory. That share already up 180% year to date, and it's rising another 3% in the pre-market as the AI build-out trade keeps on continuing. Corning also up. That's 1.8%. It's generally a glass company, but it also makes fiber optics cable. It recently inked a multi-billion-dollar deal with Meta. So that's been a recent AI trade. That's up nearly 2% in pre-market. And even IBM, which took a big hit yesterday, falling over 13%, that's getting a little bit of a rebound. So a little bit of dip buying on some of the AI sacrifices in the market of late.
In 30 seconds, let's close out with the biggest gainer in the pre-market, Keysight Technology.
That's right. So it's a measurement instrument company. Fiscal first quarter revenue and adjusted earnings both beat, benefiting from AI workloads as well as the wireless and defense business. That's popping the stock 15% in pre-market, ticker KEYS.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.